discuss what are tabs, what are ribbons, and what is groups in ribbons, and how to create a new tab, and how to customize it, and how to delete any tab. So first of all, uh, these are tabs: the home, insert, draw, page layout, and all of these are called tabs. And each of the tab have some specific ribbons in which there are groups and commands. So for example, home has this ribbon, and insert has this ribbon, and each and every tab have some specific ribbons. So now what are groups in ribbons? So we can see that here clipboard is written, and this one is divider line, separator line. So this is one group, the font is another group, element is another group, and the same goes to all the groups. So these are groups in ribbons. Now how to create a new tab? Because there are a lot of commands in each of the tab, so we don't need all the commands all the time. We will create a new tab in which our most used command will be there. So to create a new tab, we will first go to file, we'll click on file, and then we will go to options. In options, we will go to this customize ribbon, and here in the ribbon section we will just click on new tab. You can see that here new tab is written. We will click on this new tab. We can see that this new tab is formed. Now I will show you. First click on OK. So you can see that here the new tab is formed. Now it has ribbon, but the ribbon is empty. There is no groups and no command in it. So we will add some commands, and we will also change the name of this new tab. So for this we will go to file, and then we will go to options, and in option we will go to customize ribbon, and in customize ribbon we will first select this tab which we want to rename, and then we will click on rename. Here we will name, we can give any name to it. Let's suppose I will name it by my channel, Econ Academy, and then we will press on, we will click on OK. So we can see that the name is changed here. Now we want to add some groups, and in these groups we want to add some commands as well. So for this we will this new group is already formed, we will rename it. We will select this, and then we will click on rename. Now here we can give any name to it. Let's suppose name it as copying, and then we'll click on OK. So this group will be formed, and it will be named as copy. And now we can add some commands to it. Here are the popular commands, and we can have all the commands from here. These are command not in ribbon, and all commands and macro, and we can choose anyone from here. Let's go with the popular command, and here we will here we will find copy. We will click on copy, and to add it we will just click on this add. We will select cut, and then we will click on add. We can select font and click on add. We can select font size, we will click on add. Font color, add. So this is how you can add commands in the groups in ribbon. Now I also want to add another group. So for this we will click on this new group. Our cursor will be here. This font, the last command will be selected of the previous group, and we will click on next group. So here next group, new group is formed. Now let's rename it again. We will click on this new group, and we will click on rename. Now we can give any name to it. Let's give it as tables, uh, tables 1, and click on OK. Now if we want to add commands here, we will just select this table, and then we will select anything from here, and we will click on add like the previous one. Let's suppose all chart. We'll create chart and add here, and anything related to tables. Let's delete cells, and we will click on add, we'll click on delete sheet row, click on add. Anything which we want to add, just we'll click on that command and we will click on add. And if we want to remove any of that command, let's suppose I want to remove that all chart type, we click on that and just we'll click on remove. This will command will be removed. Now after finishing all these settings, then we will click on OK. Now we can see that this is our Econ Academy tab, the new which we created, and this is group of copying, and these are commands in this group, and these are the commands in the second group, that is tables one. Now if we want to delete any of the tab, we will do the same for each, and I will just show you how to delete this Econ Academy tab, and the same goes for all. Now, for this we will go to file, we click on file and we'll go to options again, and from here we'll just go to customize ribbon, and the thing which we want to delete from here, let's suppose I want to delete Econ Academy. If I want to delete home, then I will select home and we'll click on remove. And if I want to uh, delete Econ Academy, then I will click on Econ Academy and we will just click remove from here. So this will be deleted. The built-in the tabs which are already there cannot be removed. It can be just hide. If we let for hiding it, let's suppose I want to hide this home, then I will just uncheck it and we'll click on OK. So it disappear from here. We have removed Econ Academy and we have hide the uh, home tab from here. If we want to bring it again, the home tab, file, and we click on options, and from options we'll click on customize ribbon, and from customize ribbon we'll just check in that home again and we will click on OK. So this is from today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.